Hey everybody, Ted with Quality Home Inspections. Up here in Wilmington doing a inspection on a crawl space, and just want to show you what I found. And this buyer actually waived their inspection, so we're doing his post-closing, and I got to break some bad news to him. So here's a crawl space, and I've got a ton of mold throughout this crawl space. Look how thick that is. To make matters worse, right there, I got termite damage. This whole joist right here is falling apart. Watch this. It's falling apart. And then back there you can see. Oh, hold on. Sorry about the back. Camera angle here. I gotta move. I can show you. But see all that termite damage there? All right there is termite damage. Got it all through here. I mean, look at that 2x, or that joist. It's all gone. All that's gone. And look at all that mold. Tons of mold. So this is one reason why you shouldn't get your waive a home inspection. I mean, I'm probably looking at, you know, $10,000-$15,000 worth of mold remediation. You know, I've got about a dozen floor joists that need to be replaced. Then I got a structural issue over on the other side where the foundation wall is bowing and kicking out. So got some pretty big problems here, and I got to go talk to the buyer about, or now homeowner. But again, not a good idea to waive your inspection. It's a perfect example why. Thanks for watching. This Ted with Quality Home Inspections.